April Davis here with April Davis Creations. Today is day number 8. If you've been following me, you know that I have been doing a series for each of the 12 days for the 12 days of crafting. Today we're at day number 8, but I've done all the days prior to as well. And I'm happy to have you guys join me for day number 8. So let's go ahead and get this started. I'm going to open it up and we're going to find day number 8. Let's go ahead and open this up and look what we find. We find a package of baker's twine, a pink baker's twine, and a blue baker's twine, kind of like a misty moonlight color of blue, but aren't those both so pretty? So remember, for each day, I create a card utilizing the items that come in behind that door. So today's card utilized the pink baker's twine, and I'm just going to share with you, I utilized a lot of items in the kit this time. I added my own cardstock, but I utilized the designer series paper. I utilized a number of the dies and the stamps. All of the stamps being utilized come from the 12 Days of Crafting Advent Calendar. The dies that were in day 1, I was able to incorporate those. I stamped a flower and was able to die cut that. And then you can see here that I have wrapped the baker's twine around my square and tied it off with a bow. And then lastly, I've added the gold gems for some bling. So how pretty is that? If you like this card and you want to know how to make it, I do have a tutorial for the 12 Days of Crafting Advent Calendar, one for each day, utilizing whatever the featured product was behind that door. If you purchase the 12 Days of Crafting Advent Calendar through my online store, you will automatically receive that tutorial for free. So all the cards that I've shown you thus far are included in that tutorial, totaling 12 projects in the end. If you already have the 12 Days of Crafting Advent Calendar, but you're really interested in the tutorial, you can go to aprildaviscreations.com and go to my shop tab, go to PDFs, and you can actually download the tutorial. You can purchase it through my store. So anyway, this is day number 8. How fun is that? I will see you guys tomorrow for day number 9.